Hey guys, how to recover Roblox account without email or password. Roblox gonna make you work for it, but here is the only method you can do. Go to Roblox login page, tab forgot password or username, scroll to use phone number to reset password. Okay, enter the phone number linked to your account. All right, and they're gonna send you a code. Enter the code, reset with the new password, and boom. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If that method didn't work, just go ahead to roblox.com/support. All right, and you're gonna contact them, enter the date of birth and everything, username, all device info, past purchases, approximately account creation date. They respond in 1 to 3 days. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.